Hi everybody, Toshko Raychev here, and today you are going to get a system and training worth $499 absolutely free. I'm going to tell you why it's free in a minute, but what's more important is why you would want this system and training. First, I would like to thank you for taking the time to be with me today. I know there just never seems to be enough time anymore. But I promise you, this could be the best time you will spend this year on anything. Just keep watching and you will see why. For those who don't know me, I'm a professional trader with over 10 years experience as a hedge fund manager and trader. I'm also a 3-time world trading champion. I spend most of my free time helping new traders get started and mentoring experienced traders and hedge funds. Right now, over 85,000 people have liked my Facebook page and follow my teachings. I do this for free because I want to give something back. The two things I want to teach you today are the first part of the trader's ladder to wealth. I consider this to be one of the most important breakthroughs for traders, regardless of their experience. The second thing I'm going to teach you is how to trade with the profit spring system. This is a method of trading I have used and shared with many traders to help them get started, and it could help you make a profit if you just follow the instructions. I know that many of you watching might be skeptical about learning to trade Forex or have tried it and gotten burnt. That's the main reason I am sharing this valuable information for free. I want you to see that anyone can do this. I'm going to explain why many people can't make money trading and give you a system that I know works and could help you gain the confidence you need to make money trading. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I can't help you if you think you can make $1 million by next month. I can help you if you can follow instructions and can control your emotions. So, let's get started. I have spent years thinking about why some traders make huge fortunes and others just never seems to get anywhere. And I have reduced my theory down to what I call the trader's ladder to wealth. 7 steps of awareness every trader needs to know before they can become wealthy. The first step is what I call the awareness stage. You might have heard people talking about trading or ways of making money, but haven't spent any time researching or gathering information. You are just aware that there are ways of making money. The second step is what I call the seeking stage. You have gone from being aware to actively looking for information. Very often this is motivated by something that has happened in your life. For example, losing your job or wanting to change your financial position. Step 3 is probably one of the most important steps. It's when you start to actually gain knowledge. The problem is that if you get this step wrong, you might never be successful, or it could take you twice as long as it needs to for you to start making money. I would say this is the step most people get wrong. So far, we have covered 3 of the 7 steps. I will share more steps with you in the next video, so make sure you watch your inbox for my emails and you will learn how the wealth equation could make you wealthy. The big idea and takeaway for this part of the training is anyone can make money trading if they follow a logical and proven roadmap for success. Now for the system I want to give you. But before I do, if you enjoy my training or have success with one of my systems, please leave a comment below. I read every comment and I want to hear your feedback. Best of all, you could win a prize or even a very valuable chance for me to teach you personally. Okay, the system is called the profit spring system. There is a time in every trend when the market begins to lose some momentum and pulls back. This is almost like a spring being pulled back, and if you can spot the right time, you could make a lot of money. Let me switch over to my charts and explain. I will show you how to install the Profit Spring trading system on your computer. So after you download it and unzip the UPS Profit Spring zip file, just double click on this UPS Profit Spring exe file and just follow the on-screen instructions as I will do in front of you. So click next, then accept the agreement, click next. Over here you will get a list with MT4 platforms installed on your computer, so choose the one you want to install the Profit Spring system. I will choose one of them and will untick the rest, then click next, again next, wait for the installation to be done, click next, untick this one and click finish. Now in order to load the Profit Spring system on your charts, you have to start your MT4 platform where you installed the system. After you started the MT4 platform where you installed the Profit Spring system, open an empty chart like mine here, right click somewhere on it, click on templates and find the Profit Spring on the list and click on it. And the Profit Spring system will be loaded on your chart. I will show you a long trade example using the Profit Spring trading system on USD Japanese yen 5-minute time frame chart. And the vertical line here represents the time when all the conditions as per rules for long entries have been met. Of course, green moving average was above the red one, and MACD was above the zero level, and of course CCI was above the zero level as well, and the last entry signal in this case was given by stochastic when it crossed above the 50 level over here. So at the close of this signal candle and opening of the next one, a long entry could be placed. Stop loss is set over here, just below the previous swing low point, in this case this one. And take profit target. For it was being used this Bollinger Band, which is almost twice the stop loss amount. And as you see, it was being hit in the second candle after the entry, really fast one. I will show you a short trade example using the Profit Spring trading system on Euro New Zealand dollar 15-minute time frame chart, and the vertical line here represents the time when all the conditions were met for short entry as per rules of the Profit Spring trading system, of course. So at that time CCI was well below the zero level, of course stochastic also was below the 50 level as per rules. MACD was below the zero level over here as you see, and the last entry signal was given by green moving average falling below the red one over here. So at the close of this signal candle and opening of the next one over here, a short entry could be placed. Stop loss is set over here at this level, just above this swing high point as per rules of the system. Of course, take profit target. For it, this last band was being used, and it was almost twice the amount of stop loss as you see, and was hit in a few candles later. That's all for today, but remember to leave a comment below if you like the system. Thanks for watching. Bye.